Mido Watches, an epitome of Swiss watchmaking precision and elegance. Founded in 1918, Mido has carved a niche with timepieces that blend classical design with modern innovation. Renowned for its attention to detail and durability, Mido offers a diverse range, from the Baroncelli's sophistication to the Ocean Star's robustness. A Mido watch not only adorns the wrist, but also represents a dedication to timeless beauty and technical excellence. All the links to the watches you'll find in the description below. Number 10. Mido Baroncelli Chronometer Sai. A marvel of horological precision and style. This timepiece encapsulates Mido's commitment to excellence, boasting a sleek stainless steel case and a refined diameter of 42 millimeters. The stunning sun-ray brushed anthracite dial showcases intricate details, including rose gold tone hour markers and hands that exude sophistication. The cost-certified chronometer movement ensures exceptional accuracy, making this watch a reliable companion for every moment. The transparent case back reveals the intricate inner workings, a testament to Mido's dedication to craftsmanship. The seamlessly integrated stainless steel bracelet not only enhances the overall look, but also offers a comfortable fit. Elevate your wrist with the Mido Baroncelli Chronometer Sai, a blend of timeless elegance and contemporary precision. Number 9. Mido Ocean Star Gemt, M026.62917.05100. An epitome of versatility and exploration. Encased in rugged stainless steel with a diameter of 44 millimeters, this timepiece is designed for the adventurous spirit. The dynamic black dial, adorned with bold indices and hands coated in superluminova, ensures readability in any lighting. The Gant hand allows tracking of a second time zone, catering to globetrotters and those dealing with international time differences. Powered by an automatic movement, it's as reliable as it is precise. The unidirectional rotating bezel adds a sporty edge, while the robust stainless steel bracelet provides durability and style. Water-resistant up to 200 meters, the Ocean Star Gemt is a dependable companion both underwater and on land. Unleash the explorer within with the Mido Ocean Star Gemt, your passport to adventure. Number 8. Mido Belluna Royal. A tribute to timeless elegance and refinement. This exceptional timepiece exudes sophistication with its 42 millimeters stainless steel case and a distinctive silver sunray dial. The captivating blue Roman numerals and delicate date display at 6 o'clock complement the classic design. Powered by an automatic movement, it not only captures the essence of traditional watchmaking, but also ensures precise timekeeping. The brown leather strap with crocodile pattern adds a touch of luxury, completing the ensemble. The Belluna Royal epitomizes Mido's commitment to exquisite craftsmanship and timeless aesthetics, making it a perfect companion for those who appreciate elegance and precision in every moment. Discover the artistry of time with the Mido Belluna Royal. Number 7. Mido Commander Shade, 8429.323.11. A masterpiece of horological artistry and contemporary style. This timepiece boasts a 37 millimeters stainless steel case and a captivating gradient blue dial, reminiscent of a deep ocean. The luminescent silver tone hands and indices offer superb readability, enhancing its functionality. Powered by a precise automatic movement, it promises accuracy while retaining Mido's signature durability. The stainless steel bracelet complements the overall design, delivering both comfort and elegance. The Commander Shade embodies the essence of Mido's watchmaking legacy, blending modern aesthetics with exceptional craftsmanship. Embrace sophistication and precision on your wrist with the Mido Commander Shade, a testament to the brand's dedication to creating timeless and remarkable timepieces. Number 6. Mido Ocean Stardiver 600. A timepiece that embodies the spirit of adventure and the allure of the deep. Crafted with a robust 43.5 millimeters stainless steel case, it exudes a commanding presence. The mesmerizing blue dial, resembling the depths of the ocean, is adorned with bold, luminescent markers and hands, ensuring clear visibility even in the darkest waters. The unidirectional rotating bezel and sapphire crystal with an anti-reflective coating make this watch a true diver's companion. Water-resistant up to an impressive 600 meters, it's a testament to Mido's commitment to delivering exceptional performance. The Ocean Stardiver 600 is not just a timepiece, it's a statement of daring and resilience for those who seek to explore the mysteries of the sea. Number 5. Mido Ocean Star Tribute. A watch that pays homage to the brand's rich maritime heritage. The 40.5mm stainless steel case reflects a blend of elegance and durability, capturing the essence of the ocean. The captivating blue dial mirrors the ever-changing hues of the sea, adorned with luminescent indexes and hands for perfect readability. The Ocean Star Tribute boasts a date display and a distinctive crosshair design, adding a touch of sophistication. Its robust build and water resistance up to 200 meters make it a reliable companion for underwater adventures. With a stainless steel bracelet completing the ensemble, this timepiece is a tribute to seafarers and a celebration of the eternal bond between Mido and the sea. Number 4. Mido Baroncelli Midnight Blue. A fusion of sophistication and style. The 38mm stainless steel case embraces a captivating midnight blue dial reminiscent of a starlit sky, exuding a timeless allure. Delicate silver tone hands and diamond-cut indexes mark time with precision and elegance. The sapphire crystal with an anti-reflective coating ensures clarity and durability. Powered by a reliable automatic movement, this timepiece not only looks stunning, but also operates flawlessly. The stainless steel bracelet seamlessly integrates with the case, embodying comfort and refinement. With its fusion of aesthetics and engineering, the Mido Baroncelli Midnight Blue is a tribute to the night's beauty and a statement of timeless grace on the wrist. And number 3. Mido Multifort Patrimony chronograph. 040.42736.04200. A blend of heritage and modernity. Encased in robust stainless steel, the 42mm diameter offers a perfect balance of presence and elegance. The exquisite silver dial showcases a refined display, featuring chronograph subdials, date window, and luminescent hands and markers for easy reading. The genuine brown leather strap adds a touch of vintage sophistication, emphasizing the watch's timeless appeal. Powered by an automatic movement, this timepiece is a symbol of precision and reliability. The scratch-resistant sapphire crystal ensures durability, making it a perfect companion for daily adventures. The Mido Multifort Patrimony chronograph melds classic aesthetics with contemporary functionality, embodying the essence of timeless style and Swiss watchmaking expertise. Number 2. Mido Baroncelli Signature in 037.20 711.04101. A masterpiece of horology. Encased in stainless steel, its 38mm diameter exudes sophistication and refinement. The captivating black dial is adorned with a delicate sunray pattern, highlighting silver tone hands and indices, offering a harmonious blend of elegance and legibility. The open heart at 12 o'clock showcases the beating heart of the automatic movement, a testament to precision and artistry. The date window at 3 o'clock adds practicality to its beauty. Paired with a stainless steel bracelet, it seamlessly marries comfort and style. This timepiece, equipped with a sapphire crystal, epitomizes Mido's dedication to durability and excellence. The Mido Baroncelli Signature in 037.20 711.04101 is an embodiment of timeless sophistication, a true emblem of Swiss watchmaking mastery. Number 1. Mido Commander Big Date on 021.62 622.03100. A captivating blend of classic design and modern functionality. Encased in stainless steel, its 42mm diameter exudes strength and style. The dial, in a striking anthracite hue, boasts a sunray pattern that dances in the light, accentuated by silver tone hands and indices. The standout feature is the prominent big date display at 6 o'clock, adding a contemporary touch to this timeless design. Powered by a reliable automatic movement, this timepiece offers precision and convenience. The stainless steel bracelet completes the look, ensuring both comfort and elegance. With the sapphire crystal, it guarantees durability and resilience. The Mido Commander Big Datum 021.62.622.03100 is a perfect harmony of tradition and innovation.